Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about ways to grow your net worth to 1 million. Set clear financial goals. Let's get into the video. There are different ways in growing your net worth to 1 million. One way is by setting clear financial goals. Knowing what you want to achieve is the foundation of building wealth. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business, having concrete goals will keep you motivated and focused. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.